touchdown zone, little Flarino. Let's approach 6,000. So we're gonna do gear down, flaps 15. It is time for me to focus a little bit and stop f***ing around to butter this bitch. Let's go! Let's f***ing go. Okay, let's go. Flaps 30. We're gonna arm the speed brakes. Landing gear is down. Auto brake set. Speed brakes armed. VREF set. I think we're looking pretty good, my friends. I think we're looking pretty good. If possible, I would highly appreciate a little bit of froggies in my chat. This is the worst approach in the history of approaches.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Okay. That's a fucking beautiful landing.